ICTQual is offering you Level 6 Diploma in Electrical Engineering, 360 credits, 3 years. Your opportunity to gain advanced knowledge and practical skills that power the future of electrical systems and technology. This diploma is designed to equip you with an in-depth understanding of electrical engineering concepts, enabling you to tackle the challenges of modern power systems, automation, and energy efficiency. Whether you're working with high-voltage systems or sustainable energy solutions, this course will prepare you for a rewarding career in electrical engineering. This certification is best for jobs, and also this certification is verified by British Council. This course has 36 mandatory units which will be completed in 3 years. Each year you'll study 12 units and earn 120 credits, total in 360 credits by the end of the program. Year 1, Foundational Knowledge, 120 credits, Year 2, Intermediate Proficiency, 120 credits, Year 3, Advanced Specialization in Application, 120 credits. This course is ideal for aspiring electrical engineers, experienced technicians, graduates of related disciplines, career changers, future innovators in energy and technology, leaders in electrical project management. Route for candidates with no experience. The candidate enrolls in the program at an ICTQual approved training center. Learners will be required to complete and submit assignments based on the course's learning outcomes. These assignments will test the learner's understanding and application of the course material. Route for experienced and competent candidates. The candidate must have at least 6 years of verified experience in electrical engineering or a related field. This experience must be relevant to the learning outcomes of the qualification. The candidate must submit documentation and evidence of their work experience to demonstrate competence in the required areas. This can include job roles, responsibilities, and tasks performed that align with the learning outcomes of the course. All ICTQual qualifications are offering through its approved training centers. For registration, please consult your nearest ICTQual approved center. Visit our website at www.ictquallab.co.uk for more qualifications and information.